Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure the Combine widget in a dashboard using Bold BI. Let's see an overview of the Combine widget. Using the Combine widget, you can add multiple widgets in one container, allowing you to show multiple types of visualizations in a single widget. In the Combine widget, you can categorize the widgets under a common name and customize them in different ways, such as resizing and repositioning them. The widgets within the Combine widget retain their separate functionalities. Let's start configuring the Combine widget. This HR training feedback dashboard lets HR admins view detailed statistics about feedback received about trainers, trainee performance, trainer satisfaction, and so on. I am going to recreate this Combine widget to demonstrate how this widget is used. To configure the Combine widget, I add the HR training feedback's data source. Let's take a quick look at the data in the Data Source Designer and the expressions used in the Expression Designer. Drag and drop the Combine widget from the toolbox into the Design panel. Resize the widget as needed. You can add multiple widgets to the Combine widget in 3 ways. First, you can configure the Combine widget by dragging and dropping some widgets from the toolbox and then configuring them with the required data. Secondly, you can drag and drop already configured widgets from the Dashboard Designer canvas into the Combine widget. Lastly, you can drag and drop existing panel widgets into the Combine widget. Let's create the widgets we need to recreate the Combine widget we saw in the HR training feedback dashboard. Drag and drop the number card widget from the toolbox into the Combine widget. I will bind the feedback column to get the total responses count. Similarly, I have created the remaining number cards. Next, drag these configured widgets from the design canvas into the Combine widget. We have successfully configured the Combine widget. Here, you can overlap the widgets inside the Combine widget. Just drag one widget over another. The order in which the widgets are placed over one another can be customized in the Properties panel of the Combine widget. Next, you can also format the Combine widget to better illustrate your information. Changing the order of the widgets will allow you to choose which one is on top within the Combine widget. These are the default properties applied when configuring the widget. Now, we have successfully recreated the widget. Let's publish the dashboard to save the changes. Here, this Combine widget visualizes the total number of responses along with the number of positive, negative, and neutral feedback. Let's briefly discuss some things that aren't supported in the Combine widget. There is no support to pin widgets inside the Combine widget, and these are some other things that are not supported by the Combine widget. Next, I will show you a few dashboard examples that use Combine widgets. In the Toggle Project Time Tracking dashboard, we have used a Time Combine widget to display utilized and estimated hours, and billable and non-billable hours. We also used a Tasks Combine widget to display total and completed tasks and incomplete and overdue tasks. In the Balance Sheet dashboard, we have configured a Combine widget to provide an balance sheet overview within a period of time. Just like in these sample dashboards, you can use Combine widgets to showcase multiple types of visualizations in a single widget. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.